Goa is hosting the Ironman 70.3, and this year I am participating in the individual event. Ironman is a very prestigious triathlon event that happens all around the world, and Yoska Sports has brought it to India, and more than 1,000 triathletes will be participating in this event tomorrow. People from all backgrounds, all walks of life, all age groups, people who have made time from their professional careers to pursue their interest in triathlon, in some sport, and promote fitness. Thousands of such athletes are going to be participating tomorrow. It's truly a world-class event. I thank the government of Goa. I thank the Honorable Chief Minister Pramod Sawantji for supporting this event, and I thank Yoska for taking the pains to organize a world-class Ironman in India. The Prime Minister has envisioned a fit India, and a country that is so young, which has almost 65% of its population below the age of 35, must necessarily also be a fit India. And events of this kind help promote a culture of fitness, help promote athleticism, and most importantly encourage people to take up some sport or some physical activity that will go a long way in maintaining physical fitness. Because I come from Karnataka, starting from our days in school, Goa has always been the most preferred spot of getaway. It's so nice to see Goa now emerging and developing as a sports tourism hub in India. We have the oceans, we have a rolling terrain, we have beautiful hills. It's made for hosting events of this kind. And if you see over the last 3-4 years, the number of people who are participating in the Ironman is only increasing. And there is the Ocean Man event that happens. Through the year, the Goan sports calendar is also full. So in that sense, Goa and Goan economy today is burgeoning and dynamic thanks to the sports tourism that is taking place here. And this is possible only because the government of the state, the young chief minister, has taken so much of pains to put all of these things together and support people like Yoska and the Ironman team to make all of this possible. So best of luck and thank you so much.